This portion of the scrub curriculum, we're going to talk about the importance of hand washing and proper technique in preventing disease transfer between animals and even between people. So for our lab here, we just need some glow germ oil in this case, and a UV light, and a source of water and an ability for the students to wash their hands. So the instructor will add a little bit of glow germ oil to the students' hands, and then just ask them to rub it around a little bit in their hands. So you can see the product gets spread. So now we just ask the students to wash their hands at a sink like they normally would, using whatever soap is available. Then we're going to inspect the students' hands to see how good of a job that they did with washing their hands. You will need a darkened area for UV light for maximum effect.
Hand washing should take you about 1 minute. Use a timer or count from 1 to 10 in each of the following steps.
You can have them watch an instructional video from the World Health Organization and have them use that technique and then reevaluate on how effective they were that time with washing their hands. Instructors can then inspect different surfaces in the classroom, such as door handles, paper towel dispensers, faucets, to see how much the students actually inadvertently spread the glow germ oil throughout the classroom. That again would represent how easy disease actually can be transferred.